Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubadai pet jaga tanat penroisor ubak senyap halang dahar mentaka sengi khat pratrik ujemang ulalai pet jaga jingtai ban snatma jaga yang building jong ke MTC kebadan hak kendai lat haringkat ka jinga donlang ubak wailat Miki Shela chairman jong Meghalaya Urban Development Authority muda ki sahab sarkar ki ba pet jaga nega kam bat kiwai
Like this, like on the back side, on the road side also, 4-5 shops are for being and all these.
Nakaliang sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela habakren berkilat pathai kubor hadin ke jingjurep uloong bakaladai ke por ban penbha bat ban penthmai ke nongba ban nakaliang jong u la penpau ke jing sngohun ban yoi baka kam kalayat sakman bat ongru ban nakaliang jong u un penthikna ba ke jing pendap jaga nega yeng building bat thmai an pendap tanghapo arsnem
Transport Minister. So I just want to update this project. I'm very happy the project went very smoothly and progress. And I will try to make sure. That within 2 years this building should be handed over. And it's high time for us to see all this thing to outskirt city. It look good, look. Let the city remain peaceful. Let the city remain good, nice and clean. That's I want as a minister of Urban.